We looked at secret one, which was what? Ditch the 911 marketing and replace it with what? Marketing that is? Well done, well done. Secret 2 was?
Love your practice angels.
Thank you, Julia. Well done. So we want to love our practice angels. So secret 1 and 2 is all about getting clients. And what you'll start to learn today is that the 7 secrets actually happen in a specific order for a specific reason. Of course, the first part is getting clients, right? Marketing, networking, looking after practice angels. The next step, now somebody needs to look after those clients. Who is that? Team. All right? And when I talk team within the private practice setting, I'm talking about 2 teams really, which are 1 team at the end of the day. It's your front desk team, your admin team, as well as your clinical team. And both of those teams have got equal responsibility for looking after the clients. Of course, you need to remember you're doing a lot of marketing at the front end. You are investing time, money, and energy into building your reputation, your brand, getting your name out there, so clients are starting to come in. Now, the first part of the team that's involved now is the front desk. They need to convert inquiries into bookings, okay? So they've got a very important role to play. It's no use doing all that effort with your marketing and then your clients or potential clients are falling like hot honey through the fingers of your front desk. But the same holds true of your clinician team. They need to be able to build rapport, to engage the clients, okay? Because clients can't get better if they're not in therapy, okay? So client retention, so clients can get the help that they need, is very important, and that again is the clinician's part. So when I talk team, you need to get it right on both accounts. Make sense? Good. All right. So I'm going to start off just by sharing with you some general concepts when it comes to hiring a team. Number 1, you want to hire slowly and fire fast. Okay, interesting concept. Have you heard that before? No? Okay. Hire slowly. What I find is very common in our industry is that practice owners wait too late before they start recruiting. Because they go, I don't want to start recruiting if I don't have the clients to give to my new team members, right? And then they wait too long, and then they get desperate, okay? Which is not good. And when you hire when you are desperate, it's one of the worst things that you can do in your practice. Pardon?
Like dating.
Yes. Did everybody hear that? You don't date when you are desperate. Yes. Well, we've been using that analogy the whole morning, right? It's the same. You're going to make wrong choices. You're going to regret it in the morning, let's just say that. So most certainly, you don't want to hire when you're desperate. So it's about that balance between knowing when to start recruiting, and then even if you're not that desperate for someone, just being mindful, because it's really hard in our industry to fire fast. Why do I say that? Yes, because there's clients, right? And it kills me every time a clinician leaves or has to leave sometimes after 2 or 3 months. It kills me. The psychologist in me cannot stand it, because I know how hard it is for the clients to build that connection and build that rapport and start the process again. You've also probably by that time introduced your new team members to all your practice angels, to all your referral partners, and to all the agencies that refer to you, right? You've put in so much time and effort into getting them established within your practice that it's really hard to do. And then what happens? People don't fire when they have to. And get what happens then?
More entrenched.
It gets worse and worse and worse. And what starts to happen is that person starts to have an impact on the general culture of your practice. And culture is not an easy thing to change, okay? Organizational culture. And it's really important for you to know, because the thing what happens if you as a business owner, because that's what we are, remember, as practice owners, we are business owners. If you do not actively build and manage the culture in your practice, it will build itself, okay? Because it's automatic, we're human beings. So you have a responsibility as the leader in your practice to go to acknowledge that I've made a mistake, maybe I was desperate, or maybe really I still ticked all the boxes and I did all the checks and balances, but I still got it wrong. That happens. HR is not a exact science because we're working with people, right? It's probably why it's one of the hardest business functions. For me, it's always been one of the hardest parts of the things that I had to manage as a principal and as a business owner.